Alright guys, so I got a package today from JDM Ohio. You guys give them a follow. They got rare parts that are hard to source. One of my buddies sent me the link, and I was driving home actually, and I checked my phone at a red light, and then I saw that he texted me and he said, there you go. And I've been bugging him on Facebook and on Instagram to sell me his that he has on his car. And he sent me these, and right when I saw the message that said, here you go, I knew exactly what he was talking about. And then I saw the price, and I was kind of skeptical on it, but I decided just to get them. So let's open it up.
American sliced thin, Land O'Lakes?
Yep, American is good, better than cheddar.
No more cheddar, American sliced thin.
Alright, so let me open this up. I'll let you guys see what I'm about to see right now. Alright, so I got the box open right now. And seems wrapped up very nice. I got some bubble wrap on there. Alright, so here we go. JDMOhiodirect.com. That's who I got it from. I don't want to take one of those off. I'll probably put it on that one over there. Anyways. So it says, hey Jason, thank you for your purchase. Hope your 2021 is going well. Thanks, Aaron. Thank you, Aaron, for answering my DM right away when I sent it. He probably thought I wasn't gonna buy from him just because I'm always asking him what he has for sale, and then he sends me the price, and if it's too high, I just kind of stop the conversation right there. But
You're starting to put it together like you're a fraud.
I'm glad I was able to pick these up. Thanks for actually answering me when I called, and you didn't think I was gonna flake on you, so I appreciate it, bro. What is it, Milo? That's my dog, Milo. Anyways, we got side skirts for the car because I don't have any. Well, I do have one, but I have a pair, but they're cracked. Let's open this. Let's open this up right here. So the description said DC2R, white. So I'm assuming that they came off a Type R. Here we go. We got the Integra optional side skirts. And these are different from the stock ones, if you don't know, because it comes with this little wing right here on the side, and it sits right here on the quarter panel. And the only reason I bought these because they're super hard to find, and if you can find them, people want like a lot of money. I saw somebody selling them for $2,000, and I called HMO on accident when my buddy sent me the link, and when I called HMO, I asked him if he had the optional skirt, and he said he didn't. And then I checked the message again, and it was from JDM Ohio. So HMO told me, he's like, call JDM Ohio and buy them because those are hard to find. And if you can get them for a good price, it's worth it. And I knew it was worth it, so I picked them up. But Aaron sent me a photo of underneath, and I didn't see any broken tabs. I thought these were plastic, but oh, they are plastic. No, they're aluminum. Yeah, these are aluminum. I thought these were plastic tabs, and I asked him if there was any that were broken, and he said no. No tabs right here for the pins are broken, so these are perfect. These are real good condition, no deep scratches. This should just be a quick scuff and paint. But this is how they will look on the floor. Alright, so that's technically how they're gonna look. Obviously I need to bolt it down here. I don't know what this one bolts to. I have no idea what this bolts to. Maybe the stock splash guard in here. But I only have 3 clips here because I took them all out when I was sanding. So 1, 2, 3. The back end is just floating there, but man, that looks nice. And then it clears the door. This has to scoot back more, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it has to be flush, because there's kind of a gap right there. But I'll be able to fit it much nicer. But man, that looks clean. That looks real nice. Now all I have to do is just scuff these two, scuff them down, and then primer them. But that looks great. I just gotta open this one right now and then throw it on the other side just to test fit it and make sure that this one didn't get cracked. But I'm pretty sure they're fine. But let me open that one up and we'll see how it goes. So here is what I just opened right now. And as you can see, everything is in good condition. There's no cracks. There's a little surface rust right there, but that'll be fine. No cracks at all. All these are intact, all these holes for the plastics. But that's it, guys. Stick around for the next video when I'll be painting the skirts and the hatch.
No more cheddar, American sliced thins.